What do you see, Kyla? What do you see?
Snow.
You see it snowing?
Mm-hmm.
You can see some big flakes.
You should see those chairs that I got back from Mary.
What do you see, John Henry? What's out there? What do you see outside? What do you see, Abby?
Texture.
You see snow out there?
There.
What is it?
Candy cane.
Candy cane?
cane.
What do you see, Kyla?
I see snow.
You like snow?
Look out there.
You're pretty.
You see the big dump truck? Is it heavy?
Hmm? It's hard to see it. Right?
That's yellow, silly.
But I can see the snow.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
I love you.